a celebration of the blue-collar nation, a show for the people, by the people. Welcome to Wrench Wars. So here we are, round two. Round two is everything that has to do with the inside the ride. Something you can't see as it's going down the road. Engine, tranny, interior, anything you've done that you can say to these judges, hey, I did that, this is what you're gonna be playing for. You ready for this? I actually saw this at a trade show. This is the guy right here that was showing it to me. This is Joseph from Bad Dog. Let me show you what this thing does real quick. I set this up so you can see it. This right here is a diamond encrusted handy disc. This bad boy right here, lifetime warranty. Look at this. Now you know one of them little skinny discs would take twice as long. But that right there is what's on that cart. Check this out. This right here is called a biter.
Wherever you want to go, just turn your fingers. Nice clean edge.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bad Dog right there. Bad Dog bits, Bad Dog cutoff wheels. Judges, are you ready? So, these bits right here are from Bad Dog. Bad Dog says they'll cut through tile, no sweat. So, I gave you a piece of tile. You gotta use this crappy drill that I got for 19 bucks. I got you both one of them. Get the drill bit in the drill, start drilling. You just gotta drill one hole through that tile. You get one hole drilled through the tile, then get rid of it, right? After you're done with the tile, first guy that drills 3 holes anywhere on this surface right here, first guy drills 3 holes, I'm gonna hand you the other wire, then you're gonna have to hook up that tail light. First guy that gets that tail light hooked up and lit is gonna win this round. All the wrenches are flying in Wrench Wars! Oh, yeah! Oh, look at that cheesy old drill. Oh, man, holy moly! Wait, take it easy. Woo! Yeah, don't hurt yourself. Goes one. Woo, man! Take it easy. There's 2.
That was impressive.
Bad Dog, good job, man.
Going into round 3, I took a look at the whole situation and I knew I was going to take this.
In round 3, Bud was so quick, I don't think I even had a chance.
Here's a check for your charity, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely,
Thank you
man.
very
There's a check for your charity.
Thank you very much.
That's right. Special thanks, International Aero, Bad Dog Tools, and we appreciate and want to say special thanks to PB Blaster, Blaster Corp. We thank you. And you know what we always say, if you do the backyard boogie, you know what to do. Bring it to the cage!